Welcome to our beginner's guide, and today we're diving into the world of mastering crochet stitches. I'm Mel, and I'm so thrilled to share some fundamental techniques that will help you kickstart your crochet journey. First, let's learn the foundation of crochet, which is the chain stitch. And before we begin, we need to create a slip knot. And to do this, you need to place your hook on your yarn, turn it, yarn over, and then pull through. Pull your yarn to tighten the knot, and there you have a slip knot. The chain stitch is very simple. All you need to do is yarn over and pull up a loop, and there, that's the first chain stitch. You need to repeat this process until you've mastered the chain stitch. It's very simple, very quick to master, and you just need to keep practicing. So you need to pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And now the chain stitch is complete, so this is how it's supposed to look like. Now let's move on to one of the most basic and versatile stitches in crochet, which is the single crochet stitch. So to make the single crochet stitch, you need to place your hook into the second chain from the hook. So into the second chain, you insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and you'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops, and that is your single crochet stitch. Again, repeat this process until you've mastered the single crochet stitch. So make single crochet stitch across the row. This is how the single crochet stitch looks like. Next, let's explore the double crochet stitch, which adds height and texture to your project. And to make a double crochet stitch, you need to yarn over and insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, and you'll have 2 remaining, yarn over and pull through all the loops, and that's your first double crochet stitch. Continue this process across the row to better understand what a double crochet stitch really looks like, so that you'll be able to differentiate its height from the single crochet stitch and the other stitches. This is how my double crochet stitch looks like, and it can also look like this depending on the size of the yarn that you're using and also the size of your hook. For the final part of our lesson, we are going to cover the half double crochet stitch, which is taller than a single crochet stitch but shorter than a double crochet stitch. For the half double crochet stitch, you need to yarn over and insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, like that, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, and that's how you make a half double crochet stitch. This is how a half double crochet stitch looks like when you're using a thick yarn. And it can also look like this, and I used a smaller yarn when I was crocheting the green one, so you can clearly see the difference between the two. And those are the 4 foundation stitches of crochet. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so just keep practicing and enjoy the journey of creating beautiful crochet projects. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, bye bye.